Your smartphone speaks a language you were never taught. Every day, it whispers questions like, "Can I access your location? Can I see your contacts? Can I use your microphone?" And without thinking, you tap allow. No warnings, no explanations, no idea what you just gave away. Today, we're decoding your smartphone's secret language, app permissions, and exposing what actually happens behind the scenes when you click that innocent-looking button. Because this isn't about paranoia. This is about digital privacy, data tracking, and control. And once you understand this, you'll never click allow the same way again. Let's destroy a myth right now. Most people believe, if I'm not doing anything illegal, I have nothing to hide. That belief is exactly why data collection works. Your phone doesn't care about your secrets. It cares about your patterns, where you go, what you search, who you talk to, when you sleep, what you buy, how long you stare at a screen. This is called behavioral data, and it's worth billions. Your smartphone is not spying like in movies. It's doing something far more powerful. It's profiling you. Let's translate the secret language of app permissions in plain English. Location access. Apps say, "We need your location to work better." What it really means, your daily routine, your home address, your workplace, your travel habits, your favorite stores. This data is often shared with advertisers, analytics companies, and data brokers. Microphone access. Apps claim we only listen when you're using the app, but microphone access can detect background noise, TV shows you watch, music preferences, environmental patterns. Even without recording conversations, audio metadata is extremely valuable. Camera access. It's not just about taking photos. Camera access can reveal facial data, surroundings, object recognition, behavioral context. This feeds AI training systems legally. Contacts access. This one is dangerous. You're not just sharing your data, you're sharing other people's data without their consent. Names, phone numbers, email addresses. That's how data networks grow. Ever wondered why a flashlight app wants location access? Here's the truth. Many apps aren't free. You are the product. Your data is used to build advertising profiles, predict purchasing behavior, train machine learning models, and sell anonymized datasets. And anonymized doesn't mean invisible. With enough data points, identities can be reconstructed. This is called data triangulation, and it's completely legal. But I agreed to it, you might say. Yes, technically, but let's be honest. Nobody reads 40-page privacy policies written by lawyers for corporations. Consent today is not informed, it's engineered. Dark patterns, urgency prompts, limited access unless you agree. This is why regulators call it forced consent. You didn't choose freely, you complied to function. Once data leaves your phone, it enters an ecosystem. It gets stored, copied, analyzed, shared, sold, not once, repeatedly. Your data may pass through app developers, analytics firms, advertising networks, cloud storage providers, and third-party partners. And breaches happen. When data leaks, it doesn't disappear, it circulates forever. That's why digital privacy isn't about fear, it's about risk management. Now the good news. You're not powerless. Here's how to protect your smartphone privacy. 1. Review app permissions monthly. 2. Set permissions to only while using app. 3. Disable microphone and camera access for non-essential apps. 4. Remove apps you don't use. 5. Avoid free apps that demand excessive access. Privacy isn't all or nothing. It's about intentional control. Your smartphone isn't evil, but it is hungry. Hungry for data, hungry for patterns, hungry for you. The real question is not, are apps tracking me? The real question is, how much are you willing to give away without asking why? If this video changed how you see your phone, share it with someone who still clicks allow without thinking, because awareness is the first line of defense.